Bitcoin prices dropping sharply after China announces a law restricting all cryptocurrency transactions. Let's jump into our indicators and see what they're saying and review what's going on with the altcoins at the end of this video. Thanks again for joining me on another Bitcoin Trading TA video, and I appreciate all the new subscribers recently as I've been putting out more videos. Be sure to head over to the website and grab our free training mini-series so that you understand the 1, 2, 3 pattern that I talk about all the time here. Prices have dropped down strongly overnight as news from China comes out that they are banning all cryptocurrency transactions. And the reason they say they're doing this is for combating climate change, that cryptocurrencies use too much electricity. So we've come off a really important 1, 2, 3 formation that was not news. Last night I posted this in our Discord chat that we are getting under key ranges to look for a sell signal. I'll be watching for the 1, 2, 3 underneath the 45K level, and if the 4-hour MACD crosses bear under this red trend line, it's a sell signal. So this is what was setting up last night. A conversion had happened on the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud, but it wasn't strong enough to overcome this 1, 2, 3 top formation that was already in play. So we had a 1, 2, 3 top formation that crossed the bear signal, and then we had prices come up and test underneath that. And we can see a miniature 1, 2, 3 pattern right here and a sell signal that I had charted out and posted last night in our Discord. So if we go to the 12-hour time frame, this is a major part of our signal system that you'll learn over on the website if you take that free mini training series. We talk about the break of the uptrend line combined with the 1, 2, 3 pattern. When the 12-hour EMA crosses, there's our sell signal right here. And as prices come back up and test underneath that sell signal, there's another opportunity to sell, which when we zoom back into the close time frames, we see the 1, 2, 3 as it formed out. It wasn't a perfect 1, 2, 3, but that was it. There's the failure right there. Other indicators would help you. Certainly the break of the trend line is important when we're looking for short signals. I did a video a short time ago, the bearish truth in Bitcoin price, and I went into the indicators and I talked about the fact that as the indicator gets up underneath this trend range and then pulls back, it is where prices are going to be pulling back and making a downtrend. And it's going to keep doing that so long as we're bouncing off these levels and coming down. It'll keep going down and down and down in price so long as the RSI and the MACD are crossing underneath these levels. But so long as it's coming up, breaking and showing new lows, we're going to continue on our downtrend here. So as this 4-hour breaks and continues to go down, so will price. However, at the same time, I will be watching these indicators to see when does this start to give us divergence to the bullish side as we're setting up double bottoms or something like that. I still am bullish in the long term, even with this China news. However, our indicators are going to play out for us what the actual prices are going to do. We'll watch for these over the next few videos. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance and see what it's doing. Here's the longer term view where we see Bitcoin dominance is rising a little bit and it's making its own larger 1, 2, 3 pattern. We saw the 1, 2, 3s breaking out on the smaller time frames, and now prices come back and it's giving us a larger 1, 2, 3. And if dominance is breaking higher above these levels, altcoins are going to be really suffering big time. The trouble is that if Bitcoin is dropping as Bitcoin dominance is rising, the best place for us to be is in fiat currency. And I always hate to have that possibility, but let's look at Bitcoin prices in behind this and see what Bitcoin prices are doing. As Bitcoin prices are dropping this last little bit, dominance is rising, and that is an overall subtraction of money from the entire altcoin sphere, which kind of lines up. If China is blocking all cryptocurrency transactions, there'll be panic across the board in all different cryptos. Let's zoom into the closer time frames. So as Bitcoin is doing this drop, we can see dominance is definitely rising at the same time. So that means altcoins are suffering faster than Bitcoin is. We'll see how this turns out. But right now, I would expect that we could look at the shitcoin perpetual contracts, and they've really taken a beating, even more than Bitcoin. And seeing this price pull back like this really conforms with what we're seeing in Bitcoin dominance. As dominance is rising, it shows that the alts are losing US dollar value faster than Bitcoin is. It takes a bit to get this inverse relationship in your head, but it's really important for trading alts against Bitcoin that we understand and that we're staying in line with what Bitcoin dominance is doing. So alts are really suffering, and for me, this is really great confirmation of the value of the crypto smartwatch control panel. This was the bull market watch that we've been running for a couple years now, and it really helps get us out of the altcoin market at the right time so that we are moving our money out of the alts. They're suffering way worse than Bitcoin is right now. So wherever you move your money out of alts into US dollar or out of alts into Bitcoin, you'd still be doing better than if you had left your money in the alts right now. So getting into the coin is really important, but knowing when to get out is also really vital. You can see how the crypto smartwatch rebalanced our crypto portfolio from 176 hold status coins down to 24 hold status coins 3 days ago. And now we're seeing dominance rising even more. Here's another video I created and released just the other day on cryptocurrency portfolio planning and rebalancing. You can find a link up in the top corner right now, and I'll leave a link down below this video as well so that you can find this crypto portfolio rebalancing video that I just posted the other day. And now to finish up the video, this isn't the end of the story. Of course, Bitcoin prices will continue to change and do the unexpected. So be sure to come and join us over on our Discord chat. We're posting what's going on with the charts live, real time. I only do these videos once a day at most. So come over and get the live stuff over on our Discord chat. And when you're joining there, be sure to go over to the confirmation, click on the moon to verify that you are not a bot, and then you will join us in the general chat. There's a couple steps to get into our Discord chat. Thanks again for being here. Let's see how this China FUD plays out over the next while. Trade smart and keep those losses small.